I'm really excited to bring you these knits. These are a little bit special for Labor Day, so I planned some good, really good prices. The best we could do anyway, I should say. This is, the first three are Xenia. They're Xenia silks. The last three are viscose, and they're $14.99. Not the Xenia, the last three. Let me show them all to you. This is an orangeade, it's called. This is 100% silk. It's got stretch in both directions. I just want to kind of let you see how the drape is just beautiful, 100% silk. There's a little bit of difference between the two sides, but very similar. One side is a little smoother, but you can see you could do something where it draped and both sides showed. You really, can't tell that much difference. It's a beautiful drapey knit. It's really pretty, 100% silk. Now we did a pre-order on these because there wasn't much yardage left, and I went ahead and bought what was left because there's just not a lot of yardage left. So this is it's a blue. I called it a Wedgwood blue. It's a deep Wedgwood blue. Again, 100% silk, stretch in both directions again. Lightweight, drapey. Can see it's really beautiful. Both sides, really can't tell a big difference between the two sides, but it's just really beautiful. Very pretty. And then this one is the burgundy. Now the burgundy is a little bit different. This is a Xenia also, but this is a silk and cotton. So a little less money. Stretch, I really would say this is only stretch in one direction. Same texture though. It's kind of like a pebble texture. I'm hoping you can see that. It's just so very pretty. A little darker on the back side, but again, you really could use both sides. You can't really tell. So those are the silks. Silk knits, which are so rare. So then I was able to find and select three different colors. These are really, I selected them for fall. This plum is really big for fall. It's a deep grape. It's very, very pretty. It's a viscose stretching in, I want to say one direction. It has stretch a little bit in the next direction, but really you want to count on that it's a one-way stretch. But you can see great drape. It's beautiful. Again, 100% viscose. Love the drape on this. They're so beautiful. There's the plum, and I picked the colors that were most popular for fall. There's the charcoal, and again, beautiful. They're only $14.99 now through Monday because we're a little pre-Labor Day. Not Labor Day Monday, but this Monday. And then you can see this is a beautiful navy, just a really deep navy. So you can see the navy, the charcoal, and the plum. And then this has a burgundy and a Wedgwood blue and orangeade. All right, so just some beautiful nets. You can do a great wardrobe. Obviously the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.